How to dupe in Grow a Garden on Roblox. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So in this Roblox game, Grow a Garden, players are often interested in duplicating items. This is often called duping. It's important to know the difference between allowed ways to duplicate items and methods that could get you penalized. So Red Fox Pet is the one which is an allowed way to duplicate. The Red Fox Pet lets you duplicate seeds in a way that's allowed by the game. So how you can get it? You can get the red fox from the mythical egg, but it has only 1.79% chance of hatching. So every 10 minutes, the red fox might go to another player's garden, duplicate a seed, and bring it back to its owner. It does not always duplicate a seed. It can't duplicate seeds from special events. Using the red fox is a part of the game and won't get you in trouble. So be careful about the risky duplication methods. You might see the videos or discussions about duplication glitches, but these often get fixed quickly by the game developers, and it can be dangerous, like scams or malware. And if you break the Roblox rules, it will lead your account being suspended or banned. So some glitches or scripts might look like they're working, but they're just tricks that could make you lose items or Robux. So how you can stay safe? So always use allowed methods. Use the red fox pet to duplicate seeds. And check the official sources and community pages for the game updates. Don't use third-party tools or scripts. This can put your account at risk and break the game's rule. So this was all about it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.